Okay guys, so in this video we are roasting or cooking the tapioca on the fire. So as you guys can see, we left it a bit, and then now we're about to sort of scrape or grate the top layer of the tapioca, and yeah, sort of this charcoal, this carbon, whatever, the top layer of the tapioca. So we'll grate it right down. So that's our favorite way of eating the tapioca. I mean, that's my favorite way of eating the tapioca, because once it's roasted in the fire like this, we grate the skin and the top layer off. We then can eat that with coconut. So that's my favorite way of eating the tapioca. Okay, so now in the video, as you guys can see, we just remove the fire a bit, and we're just leaving it in the charcoal, so it's going to sort of cook slowly.
Now I'm ready and but I'm okay.
Okay. So now I'm first round.
Yeah, now I'm first round.
Okay.
We put into the fire.
Okay. So na this is all
Ambient by me graphing.
ambient. Okay. So first round. Now then, but you let him big time? But you let him go for how long?
And by your depends on fire. Walk the fire.
Depend on walk the fire.
Walk
Okay.
the fire.
So then, but you come back now. You go on.
Yeah, but me routing can, me checking can, but me graphing can. Suppose you know one meal, but me putting can of fire.
Okay. Thank you. So now, but stop now.
Now it's start super.
Okay.
Now but me start turning.
I'm starting side of fire. It's just in the charcoals for now. As you can see, so this is tapioca.
Me friend Singapore.
I am Singapore na MM.
And tapioca.
Tapioca. Okay. Same as
That's muscle, yeah, and muscle.
Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now this one is the tapioca. It's now ready to eat. So we'll just cut it with a knife. Yep. So you can see the inside of the tapioca. So this is what, a white one, huh? A white or a red?
White one.
Okay, this is the white one, because the other type is a yellow one. Yeah, so this is a white tapioca, as you can see. So it's ready to eat now. So we'll just eat it with the skin like all black like this. Okay, and the Singapore, if you can just cut the inside, so we can see the inside. So this is the inside of the Singapore. Okay, so you see it's nice and white and it's soft and ready to eat. Okay. Okay, thank you.